Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Razor in Dota 2. Razor is a formidable ranged agility hero, often played as a mid-lane core. His unique kit allows him to dominate the early game and scale powerfully into the late game. Mastering his abilities, especially Static Link, is crucial for success. We'll cover his core mechanics, essential item builds, and effective teamfight strategies to help you unleash Razor's full potential on the battlefield. Razor's abilities are central to his power. Static Link is your signature spell, stealing a significant amount of attack damage from foes, up to 120. Plasma Field provides excellent wave clear and area of effect damage, slowing enemies caught in its expanding and contracting ring. Unstable Current boosts your movement speed and punishes attackers. Finally, Eye of the Storm, your ultimate, unleashes powerful lightning strikes on nearby enemies, making you a constant threat. Proper itemization is key for Razor. Begin with a Wraith Band and Tangos to secure your early lane. Your core items typically include Power Treads for stats and attack speed, Manta Style for illusions and dispel, and Black King Bar for magic immunity. An Aghanim Scepter is a powerful upgrade, making Eye of the Storm hit multiple targets. Later, consider Shiva's Guard or Assault Cuirass for added defense and utility. In team fights, your positioning is paramount. Always aim to cast Static Link on the enemy hero with the highest attack damage to cripple their output. Stay at a safe distance, leveraging your ranged attacks and unstable Current's movement speed. Use Plasma Field to hit multiple targets and clear creep waves efficiently. Activate Eye of the Storm early in engagements to maximize its damage over time, turning the tide of battle in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.